fam. I feel like we gotta talk about why it's been 2 weeks since I've posted my last video. I'm really sorry about that, by the way. So let's talk about it. I was, moving and grooving. I started this project on June 30th, which is quite some time ago. Not quite a month, but not too far off from a month either. Feeling really good. I set a timeline for myself to have this PC case customized by a certain time, and then the weather was just disgusting and I couldn't feel productive. And then I felt guilty that I couldn't the deadline that I had set for myself, so I got more upset, which caused me to postpone it more, and it was just a terrible cycle of procrastination. So yeah, alas, I've come up with another plan, and here it is. I'm showing you where I am so far, and then I'll be showing you guys my finished product on my first live stream, which I'm here to announce as well. That's going to be this Friday, July 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my Twitch channel. All right, there's going to be a link in the description with my Twitch channel. I'm about to have off for the month of August, which is really going to open up a lot of time for me, hopefully get ahead on things and just preparing this and making this experience better for you guys. I'm really doing this just to entertain people and to keep myself organized. I think that's all I wanted to tell you right now. Let's get into part one of customizing my PC. So I'm going to take you through my planning process, my concept art, and then the beginning of the painting process. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Hit that subscribe button to support me and know when I post new videos. I try to post every week, but sometimes life happens. So thank you guys for understanding. Be sure to tune into my live stream on Friday to see how it turns out and for a chance to be in my next video. Hello Internet, good morning, I'm the Handy Shan, and today is Wednesday, June 30th, and I'm about to start my next project. Handy fam, if you read the title of the video, you probably know what the next project's gonna be. There's one problem. We can't work at this table anymore. This is actually my sister's table. She's been storing it here, and now she needs it again, so I gotta give it back, unfortunately. It served me well, but we have another solution. I'm gonna show you. And we're here, guys. This is the Shan Shop. This is where all my videos are gonna take, not all of them, but a lot of them are gonna take place from now on. I've been wanting to turn this space into like a craft area or workspace or just something that's a little bit more organized than it is, because as you can see, it is an absolute mess. I got my paint, I got some brackets, my power tools.
Did I hear a drill?
Dale!
Power tools.
Dale, no power tools!
A dog bed. So where do you guys think the best place to start would be? I mean, maybe I should start by organizing. Maybe I should start by taking an inventory. I have a better idea. Let's customize this PC. Now let's talk about what we're going to do to this PC. Let's take a look at it, a little slow-mo shots, what we're gonna
What up? It's Porky Pig. They call me P-double-L-G.
work on, okay? The big white panel is where I'm gonna start. Handy fam. I just spilled coffee on the PC, guys. It's fine. Oh look, alright. And it was on the top, so it like dripped in. It's alright. There's no electronics in there. We're okay. Let's get to figuring out how we're gonna do this. Alright, back upstairs to start planning out this masterpiece. I've taken off the first side that I want to paint. I'm actually going to sketch on a piece of paper, but I want to sketch it to scale, so I'm going to be, just putting a few pieces together. Once I fixed the paper, it was time to start sketching, but I needed to figure out what to sketch. So I used a picker wheel and put in random Nickelodeon Cartoon characters to help me because I'm very indecisive. The plan as of now is to do a whole Nickelodeon Cartoon character collage on this side of the PC. At the end of day one, I had a completely scale sketch of my collage. I started by coloring Darwin from Wild Thornberries. I did not like how lining felt after using the colored pencils, so I decided to line everything first and then go back and color it in, which was not the original plan. There's the concept art with everything lined. Now it's just time to color. Here we have our concept art. On to the next step. Alright, I'm outside. I went to Home Depot and I got some spray paint. That's going to be like the background behind the characters. And then I don't know if you remembered the little squigglies I put at the top of my sketch, but that's going to be the slime dripping down. So I'm going to spray this. Try to get a few good coats on there. Alright, so I sprayed the side panel. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. Alright, ladies and gents, the first thing I'm going to do here is put on a coat of matte medium. I'm only doing this because I saw 1000 do it on his YouTube channel when he was customizing his PC. He says that it seals the spray paint and makes it easier to paint acrylic on it, so I'm going to do it because after watching his few videos of him, I realized he's my new idol, so yeah, let's get into it. After I finished putting the matte medium on, it was time to slime.
Oh!
I painted it upside down. What I'll do is sand this down, start over. Alright, I'm back out here to fix this mess I've made. I guess I'm glad I realized that I messed up when I did, because it would have been awful if I had started painting the characters and then realized I messed up. So first I had to repaint the slime. After sliming, I started painting Pork Chop and a few of the other characters. As you can see, I'm just freehanding this. I have my sketch hung up for reference, but ultimately I think I definitely should have used some transfer paper to get an accurate sketch on this panel. The characters are different sizes. I actually painted them smaller than they are in the sketch. I think I did that out of fear of making them too big, but I think what's going to end up happening is I'm going to have to improvise and add some new characters that weren't on the original concept art, which isn't the worst thing ever. Alright, a lot of time has passed since I last worked on this video, but this is where I'm at so far. If you want to see this finished product, then make sure you show up to my live stream on my Twitch channel up at twitch.tv/thehandyshan. I'll be live streaming at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday the 23rd.